So, week 1 of the MT Battle Draft League, and we are playing against Michael 96. You might remember them because they were also my first opponent in the MT Battle League, the one that wasn't a draft. Curious that in both we played week 1. Anyway, if you look at their team, they have a very scary Metagross and very scary Kingdra into my team, and their Regice is like amazing supporting to my Latios and my Salamence, although it is kind of weak into my Medicham. They also have a Flygon that can be hard for me to answer. They have a Sceptile, which is fast, but I have a lot of grass resists. They have a Hitmontop that can try to intimidate my attackers, or a Nomastar, which is a very good second swimmer. So, to start, I have a Latios. I am bringing both Fake Out and Follow Me, so getting up a substitute is gonna be easy. And I can sub down into Petaya Berry. I have Psychic and HP Fire. The only Psychic resist in their team is the Metagross, which I can HP Fire. Also, HP Fire, I believe it does less or more, I'm not sure, into the Regice than Psychic. Anyway, I have HP Fire for the Metagross, that's the main reason to have the move. Then we have the Fake Out user that I talked about. So Medicham. This Medicham has HP Ground because that does more damage to the Metagross than Brick Break. Like, they lack a fighting resist, so Brick Break is very spammable, so why not give it HP Ground? I have White Hair for potential Icy Wind or Intimidate by Hitmontop. In both cases, I really like the White Hair here, because I wanna be doing damage, I don't want Intimidate to stop me. Next up, we have a Perish Song Politoed. The main reason to have this mon is so that I get into an endgame where they only have 2 mons, I click Perish Song, and I win. And also Damp is gonna prevent them from wanting to click Explosion with either Metagross or Regice. It's gonna be like, what if they switch into a Politoed and I can't explode, or if Politoed is already out, they won't explode. I have Papa Berry, if in case you don't remember, in this gen, cures you, I believe it's 12% HP when you get to 50% or lower. It's like half of a Citrus Berry in later gens. Also Hypnosis, because why not have a move that can get progress. Next up we have Banette. This is a especially attacking Banette, but it's more like Fist Death Banette. Why do I have it? Because I can imprison, and I can imprison Hidden Power. It imprisons all the hidden powers, not just HP Fire. Icy Wind, and Protect. All of those moves are very good to imprison from my opponent. Also, I have a Salak Berry because if I happen to get low in HP, I get a +1 speed, and I can outspeed stuff like a Metagross, which is probably not gonna run much speed versus me. So that's what this Banette does. Next up, we have the Follow Me user, the Clefable. So I have both Icy Wind and Thunder Wave. Why? Because what if, imagine that I wanna use it versus a Kingdra. I Icy Wind and oh no, it turns out that it's a White Hair Kingdra. Or what if I Thunder Wave and it turns out to be a Lomberry Kingdra. I don't know which one it's gonna be, so I have both, so that in a game 2 or game 3 I can adapt. Also Protect and Follow Me is just regular moves to have. Fist Death, Leftovers, etc. So I believe that's... oh, I forgot the Salamence. Yeah, it's small mon to forget about. So this is mainly a special attacking Salamence with Dragon Claw and Fire Blast and Dragon Fang. This means that I can do a lot of damage into Metagross, Kingdra, Sceptile, Flygon. Even Regice I don't do a lot of damage because of how especially defensive it is, but I can put it in range of other mons. Also I have Earthquake. The reason I have Earthquake is, imagine I have this mon against a Metagross and Togetic. I don't wanna get followed me and not be able to do damage. Or even against a low HP Kingdra or a low HP Regice, I wanna be able to Earthquake and do a lot of damage to it. It's just good spread move. And Protect, of course, because why not have it? So that's the team, and now let's get into the game. Okay, we start. I think they forgot to gender lock, unless this doesn't have a Leaf Blade. Okay, let's see what they brought. No Flygon. And no Hitmontop. Okay. I was scared of the Omastar because I didn't fully prep for it. But okay. I do not dislike the idea of Medicham Latios lead, Politoed in the back for Perish Song sweeping on game 1, and Salamence. I think they probably start with the Rain. Yeah, I think this is good. So I'm pretty sure Kingdra doesn't run any contact move, and neither does Omastar. Or do they? Wait, it doesn't get Ancient Power? Wait, yeah, it does. It's physical, I'm stupid. Ancient Power does make contact in this gen, if you were curious. Maybe this Waterfall, but I would expect Hydro Pump, which doesn't make contact. Okay, they bring these dudes. How much does Latios take from a Sceptile? I believe it gets Dragon Claw. Yeah. Well, I can still sub versus it, and I would probably activate the Petaya. Well, no, not really. They would need to max roll me for me to activate the Petaya. But still, I see no reason not to fake out the Metagross and substitute. They Leaf Blade into the Medicham. I am going to maybe they expect me to protect, but I think I'm doing it anyway because I wanna keep the Medicham alive for a possible Reggie. How much HP do these mons have? 281, so no HP investment, and the Metagross is 340. Okay, so it has some HP, but HP Fire is still a 2-hit KO, so I'm gonna go for it. Okay, cool. I protected into the right slot. I'm gonna go into... Oh, they are lefties. So I don't KO them. Well, it's a roll. How much HP are they at? 186. I still think that I go hard Salamence. And I HP Fire again. No. I go hard Salamence and I substitute. Unless they max roll me with the Sceptile, or unless they double up into the Latios, I should be able to activate Petaya, which should make me able to kill the Metagross with HP Fire. Does Salamence die to a Sceptile HP Ice? Yeah, it does. I don't think they would Dragon Claw into the Latios. I think they would HPI the Salamence, so I'm going to protect and sub a third time. If I get this wrong, I lose, but okay. Oh shit! Please tell me they didn't double up into it. Okay. That is something. How much does Fire Blast do into Sceptile? I KO it, so I think I'm gonna do this and protect. I got the turn wrong. If I HP fired, I probably won right there. Still, I think they would attack the Latios, you know? Because I don't wanna lose to the Latios killing one of these mons. Please. Okay. Fire Blast. Kill it. Yeah. Cool. So Salamence into Metagross, which has 340. I kill it right here with Fire Blast. Both of these mons kill Metagross basically. Right? How much is the Metagross at? 249. So yeah, both of these mons kill the Metagross, so which one does more to the Regice again? How much HP does the Regice have? 364, max HP, okay. This does 34. This does 34. Wait, what? 127 min. 125 min, okay. I don't do more with Earthquake, right? Yeah, no, I don't. So I wanna Fire Blast this and HP Fire this. Oh shit. Well, do they Icy Wind? If they do, this might be a huge problem. Yeah, double kill. How does Perish Song work in this? I think I Hypnosis this and I fake out the other mon. Because this should be faster. Okay? Connect the Hypnosis, connect. Fuck. Okay. I'm going to protect this mon and try to connect the Hypnosis into Kingdra instead. Yeah, they just found out that I am damp. Connect. Yeah? I can win this. I just need to break. I just need to kill this Regice. And then kill the Metagross. Yeah, I can win this. If this mon sleeps for a long time. Ah, no, not if that happens. How much does Brick Break do into Kingdra? How much HP does this Kingdra have? 260. Sorry, the max HP is 291. Oh, no investment at all. Okay, and how much are they at? 260. I'm going to Hydro Pump, because how much does Machamp do into Metagross, which 340 HP? Yeah, I need to... So Hydro Pump does put it in range. Yeah. So I'm going to Hydro Pump and Protect. Connect, please. If they sleep one more turn, this might be a win. Oh! Oh! Please don't miss. Okay, Politoed against a Kingdra with no HP investment. In rain, they have Hydro. And I have Hydro. I'm going to Hydro them. And I'm going to Hydro again, and I think I win game 1 as long as I don't miss a lot. Yeah! GG! Man, that game was so lost, but then somehow I won it. Thanks to the incredible power of Medicham. Medicham carry, as always. And also the the 2 turns sleep was very important. Them, if they hadn't clicked Rain Dance, they won. So they just threw. They remembered to Gentle Lock. Let's see. They don't have many protects at all. I wouldn't mind a Medicham Clefable lead with Latios in the back and Politoed again for... No, but they probably... They don't have much for Politoed. So like... I know I'm bringing Latios, right? Or I'm not. Politoed does beat... But without the Latios, I just lose to... Or... Without the Latios, my team is very weak to the Sceptile. But maybe I do bring it. Maybe I drop the Salamence and I bring Politoed again. Because it can win the game. I remember that the priority is not the same in this gen. DT, Fake Out. So they have more priority than me. Okay. What item is this? I never got to see it. Brick Break. And Icy Wind. No, Brick Break and T-Wave into the Kingdra. They are probably gonna follow me it, but thanks to getting the T-Wave, maybe they get fully paralyzed in this turn. I just follow me here and try to break into the Kingdra. Let's see if this works out or not. If they get fully paralyzed, I get a huge hit into the Kingdra. If they do not get fully paralyzed, at the least I kill the Togetic. Also, if they later go into Regice or Metagross and try to Explosion to kill and avoid the follow me, I'm just going to follow me again, because why not? Or do I risk? I think the correct play here is to just risk the full para in the next turn by clicking Protect. Please do not get it got fully paralyzed. Please tell me they Hydro Pump into... Okay, good. Now I break here and they follow me. The Protect was to stall a rain turn, by the way, so that after these dies I can just double protect the next turn with whatever. Oh, they missed. Okay, that's very good. Both of these monsters are scary as fuck. But the easier one to beat is the Omastar. So I'm going to break right here and follow me. By the way, in this gen, after the follow me mon dies, the follow me is still up for the mon that comes in after. So maybe I clicked Hydro Pump into Machamp, but it just got redirected. Do I go for a Perry Song win? Do I need to? I think I do, so I'm going to protect or not. Yeah, I think I managed to survive enough turns so that I can get the thing, as long as I don't get fully paralyzed. So I'm going to break right here and Perish Song. Oh no, that crit, because now the Perish Song goes into the wrong mon. Oh no, man, that crit. It's gonna lose me the game. Yeah. Or not. Well, no, because they were faster. They were... Oh, man. I get the Ayapapa. Where is the Perish Song count? Wait, is there no Perish Song count? What happened? Alright, because of how it works in this gen, I think. I'm going to Hypnosis and just hope I can win by connecting to Hydras. Or not, okay. Please sleep one more turn. GG's. There we go. Okay. Politoed wins in both games. So, last mon standing both times. Then they say, oh, why did you draft Politoed over Vaporeon? And I say, yeah, killing their own Nomastar is what cost them the game. I have no speed investment. So yeah, in both games, Politoed, the Mon, the winner, the great Mon, that wins the game as always, and Machamp, obviously, second MVP. So yeah, that's it for week 1, and GG's.